Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the file type, so you know whether Windows is mislabeling executables as text. Once done, try right-click right arrow open with right arrow, choose another app, and set always use for that extension. Make sure to create a system, restore point, and back up the registry before editing keys. This protects you if an association is wrong or a key is deleted. You'll now move into the System tools to permanently fix associations. Next, open Settings right arrow apps right arrow default apps and choose by file type to reassign exe, lnk, or problematic extensions to the correct handler. If that fails, open an elevated command prompt and run a sock and f-type commands to view and reset mappings. These change how Windows resolves extensions. Once done, run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system files that might cause exe resolution to fail. If a single program is affected, reinstall it. To finalize, restart Explorer or rebuild the icon cache so changes appear correctly. Kill Explorer. Exe, delete the icon cache database, then restart Explorer. Make sure you keep the registry backup handy so you can revert any manual edits quickly. If issues persist, boot into safe mode to undo problematic changes or use System Restore to roll back to a working point. Tip: if a registry fix breaks more associations, immediately restore.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.